Hey guys, I'm back. It just started raining outside, so try to ignore that. But anyway, I finally got a new fan. Just got it today. This is a DeLonghi, I think that's how you say it, table fan. I've never heard of that brand on a fan before, but I have seen some heaters that were under that brand. This thing's pretty weird. Doesn't have a badge. I don't know if it would have at one point. It just fell off. I'm not sure how old this is either. It looks kind of newer, but it's got that older style fan base. So I'm guessing maybe late 90s or something. It's also got an adjustment knob, which I don't think newer fans have. There's the back. It's got a mesh guard though, so I don't know. Anyway, it's just a little dirty. It should clean up nicely. Here it is on low. It's not the most powerful fan in the world, but it moves a decent breeze. Medium. And high. And off. So yeah, I'll show you the bottom. It says DeLonghi, America, New York, New York. But then it also says Maine, Taiwan. That's weird. Anyway. So there's my new DeLonghi table fan. I'll get it cleaned up and I'll make another video of it, hopefully soon. Oh, and I could use a little help here. This is the insides of a Sears box fan, one of those. And I can't get the blade off of it. I took the cap off and it's just stuck on there. So if anyone has any ideas how I can get that off, I already tried WD-40 and it just won't come off. So if anyone can help me out with that, I would greatly appreciate it. But anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.